National Festivals of India. Three big festivals are celebrated across the entire country. Let's learn the names of them. Independence Day marks India's freedom from British rule in 1947. It is celebrated on August 15th. Republic Day celebrates the day India adopted its constitution. It is celebrated on 26th January every year. Gandhi Jayanti, birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. It is celebrated on 2nd October. Thank you for watching. Celebrate the national festival with pride and respect. Thank you, Twinkles. Like, share, and subscribe.